Truckers, see formula here, all like truckers them. Not even truckers alone, the carman them. So this is a fuel transfer pump. Make life easier, you know. So you don't know what have the paper with everything. It used 12 volts, the flow rate at 120 gallon per hour. Okay. Boy, this a cool, you know. All like truckers them, the kind of idea it have an attachment with the filter and stuff like that. If you can see there, you know, in case you have bad gas in your car, like some gas have bad, we have bad gas, you can use this and suck out the gas out there. So, you know, today we're not on a gas pumping at the car, but at least we can show you how it actually works. And we're gonna try to pump out. I try to pump out with some local diesel or something and buckle and show it work, you know. So the best thing it come with, you have the cigarette lighter, so you can connect this. You can connect this from your battery. And this for your next battery. But when I did it have option, because it have this also. So you know if something there. You know, if it depends on your car battery alone, you know, you can plug it inside of your car in case. So truckers, carman, for your own vehicle, not even vehicle alone, anything at all, you can check them out, you know. And at them time, bro, believe yourself have the tool them, you know. Yeah, man. Probably tool them, so let's see what go on. Just want to ensure it work. So what I go do, I go test it, you know, before it. So the idea come with all a safety switch. Alright. What that thing also? Come with a safety switch, so I go for the I hope for you gas side or something. I pump out the gas side and back. And them get on back there. Tire sheen in this, not a good back. Machine? Go over there, deposit the money to her, you know. She's still. I don't think, so we have this roller pump, the fuel fat. So these are some diesel we have in there. We use it on the car, them like spraying underneath the fender. So we're going to spray on the back there. And it all to show it up. I plan some more and show it up, but never really time still, so you can get a test run, you know. So the idea it come with two ends. That one for the fuel. So you just drop it in there. I wonder how fast it pumps still, you know. So more I want to see it in action. Hi. Yeah. Nah, pump 2, 3, but that go on. That go on, yes. Pump out for the line. Yeah, man. Active, man. As I'm telling the peeps, they're useful, you know. So I'm check them out. Link are there in the description. So you know that guy already.